check out how I harmonize this melody. Hey, what's up? I'm Avi. Welcome back to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. More on that at the end of the video. Today, I want to show you how you can take a reharmonization of a melody, just taking the same melody, putting different chords underneath it, and take it to the next level by considering a couple of more musical components to really make things feel different. First, I have a different harmonic rhythm, a different rate that these chords are changing in this first phrase than I do this second phrase. Two chords, two chords, two chords, one chord, two chords, one chord. One chord, one chord, one chord, one chord, two chords, one chord. Very, very different. Another thing that you can see is that in this first phrase, I'm very much trying to give the melody its space and fill in the blanks. Over here we have the eighth note going from A to C up on the first beat here, one quarter note here in the violin. Eighth notes in the violin on beat 2, quarter note. And this continues. We have the dotted quarter note going up to this E, and then we have an eighth note on beat 4 right here filling in the space. Conversely, along with just the single chords here, I also went for a totally different texture. I went for just straight eighth notes to completely serve as a moving texture and a bedrock for the melody to live on. I created this big old curve. You can see that happening, this whole contour that just crests and falls over and over again. Finally was the different harmony itself, right? So I have this A here, we're really like solidly in A minor. Instead, I reharmonized this whole thing to be a D minor. So we're starting on this D, this big old fifth here, this D and this A, and we continue that motion sequencing down like we do in the last two bars. We're just chilling on an E minor 5 and then doing our solid harmonic minor boy into the A minor. So there you go. That is how you can reharmonize a melody. It's a great tool for taking the same musical material and being able to express something totally new with it. If you want to learn 7 tools that are going to totally change your melody for the better, check out my free training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody, where I give you these game-changing tips in under 40 minutes. If you want to go even further and learn the tools of composers past and present without having to go through the rigmarole of formal training, no archaic concepts like figured based, and no one's going to make you do that, you should check out my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course, where I do exactly that and give you all of these concepts in easy to understand language, easy to understand examples. You can learn more about the Melody Mastery Mini Course and the free video training at justrightmusic.com. There's a link down in the doobly-doo. Now, this second phrase, this second reharmonization really just sounds so beautiful in and of itself on its own. It almost sounds like a counter melody. And if you're interested in learning how to write one of those, how to create this beautiful sense of intermingling melodies with a polyphonic texture, you should check out the video that's popping up on your screen now. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.